nice, we can manage it. There we go. Home focus on the view of a nice, good park. My God. Yeah. Take the last stop, but not fucking distance, isn't it? Heavy duty rain, huh? Off the charts. Off the charts. And you take the last space, you bastard. I told you there's never any bloody spots here, and you get the last one. And then I'm like cursing you, and I think to myself, what the fuck am I saying? We're absolutely drenched to the bone. What does it matter where I park? We're still alive, buddy. We got through that.
Why didn't you talk me out of this trip, you know? You with all your experience.
Well, it was, thank God we didn't go to Wang Sapung and there was no hotel.